To add Santa to our snow globe, we'll start by choosing a sprite. Click the plus icon on the left, scroll down, and select the sprite labeled Northerner without a face. Once it's highlighted in orange, click the paintbrush to edit Santa's outfit. To make Santa's suit, select the paint bucket tool and choose red for the jacket, black for the boots, and white for the fur trim. You're creating your own Santa, so feel free to customize the colors. Next, let's add a belt. Choose the square icon, select black, and drag a rectangle across Santa's middle. Use the paint bucket to fill in the belt. For the buckle, choose yellow and draw a small square in the center of the belt. Now, let's give Santa a face. Click on the camera icon and take a picture to place in the face area so Santa looks like you. If you prefer, you can draw a face instead. To add a hat to Santa, we'll start by choosing a color for it. Use the freehand tool to draw Santa's hat. Once it's drawn, use the paint bucket to fill it in. Santa's hat needs a white fluff ball at the tip. Choose the color, then select the circle tool to draw the fluff ball. Fill it in with the paint bucket. Let's adjust the hat. Use the arrow tool to move Santa, then the hat to the center of Santa's head. Then, position the rest of Santa's body on top of the hat. Click the check mark to add Santa to the stage. To make Santa fit in the snow globe, we'll resize him. Select the purple Looks block, choose Shrink, and adjust the parameter to shrink Santa down to the right size. Once he fits in the globe, you can delete the shrink block, and now Santa is ready.